Good morning, dear students. Hope all of you are fine. Today we are discussing the chapter Plants Increasing Numbers. Plants increasing numbers. So now we just see one plant. So you can see root part, stem, leaf, flower. Root, stem, leaf, flower. These are the parts of a plant. Parts of a plant possess root, stem, leaf, flower. So root absorb whole water and mineral from the soil, and it may reaches to the stem part, and after that it may reaches into the leafy part. Leaf prepares food. Whatever things a plant required, food should be prepared by leaf. So that is why leaf is to be termed as the kitchen of the plant. Do you know, students, how the plants preparing food? By the process of photosynthesis. Plants preparing food with the help of photosynthesis process. So what do you mean by photosynthesis? Plants preparing food by using carbon dioxide, water in the presence of a sunlight and a pigment called chlorophyll. We are obtaining carbohydrate. And at the same time it may be releasing oxygen gas. Oxygen is a gas. So you can see, with the help of carbon dioxide gas and the water in the presence of sunlight and a pigment called chlorophyll, plants preparing the food carbohydrate. And at the same time plants releasing oxygen gas too. So you understood how the plants are preparing food. During the process of photosynthesis, plants are releasing oxygen gas, and at the same time photosynthesis process carbon dioxide should be utilized. So the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide gas should be maintained by photosynthesis process. So already you know that human beings are inhaling oxygen gas through the nostrils. At the same time, carbon dioxide gas should be released by the nose itself. So the balance of oxygen gas and carbon dioxide gas should be maintained by photosynthesis process. So you understood about photosynthesis. Do you know what is the peculiarity of plants? In the world, plants can synthesize food. In the world, plants only can synthesize food. Animals cannot synthesize their own food. They are utilizing the food prepared by the plants. So you already know that we are obtaining rice from the paddy plant, and we are obtaining wheat from the wheat plant. Like that, we are only cooking the food items that are prepared by the plants. So plants are coming to the category of producers. Plants are the producers. Only plants can synthesize their own food. Animals cannot synthesize their own food. Whatever things the plants make, that should be utilized by the human being. That is why plants are coming to the category of producers. Next is the consumers. Consumers means whatever things plants prepare that are utilized by human beings. That is why human beings are coming to the category of consumers. So here producers are plants and consumers are human beings. So you understood about producers and consumers. Next, we are moving to the cultivation process. Cultivation of crops. What do you mean by crops? crop means when large quantities of plants are to be grown in certain area, that should be termed as a crop. Once again, when large amount of plants are grown in or cultivated in one area, that is to be termed as a crops. When we take the case of a paddy field, you can see lot of paddy plant. You can see lot of paddy plants. So